And GRRM Girls, Jessila P. Luzon. School Head Principal CIC, Raynan F. Luzon. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Felix P. Aquino. Assistant, Danilo R. Pagopo Jr. and Joy Daniela. Matrix Coordinator, Queenie D. Sedan and Annabel G. Nunez. DBC DLC Coordinator Band Director, Meloy Jasper D. Blanquera and Charlene Bertado. Kasugat National High School, Kasugat, Bulacan, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much, Kasugat National High School. Let us now welcome